And they're up. And a pretty nice event beginning to magnitude 8 draws for the Elliott. Big quickly hassled now by Sir Chip. Now we've got Sir Chip takes the lead from magnitude 8. Then 4 lengths further back in third comes Magic Square. Down on the inside, Blue Angel, Calabar Zone Caps next. Past the half-mile pole, 2 entries keep on firing it out for the lead. Magnitude 8 is down on the inside. Sir Chip is racing on the outside. Then running in third is a Blue Angel. Still 2 entries, keep on fighting it out for the lead, but this time Sir Chip moves up by 1 length and a half. Magnitude 8 drops back in second, and in third Blue Angel. Calabar Zone in the middle, then Magic Square comes next. Sir Chip the leader, and fighting back down on the inside we have Magnitude 8. Then here comes Magic Square now rushing up and catching the leader. And as they race the final corner, it's now Magic Square, and down the stretch they come. We have Magic Square. Lalo McQueen is sneaking in down on the inside. Lalo McQueen, Magic Square, Magic Square, Lalo McQueen, Magic Square, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Magic Square. Lalo McQueen, Calabar Zone, then Dickory Duck, Sir Chip, 5, Blue Angel, Arranque, and Magnitude 8.